my friends, it's Miss Eli and this is Troy. Thank you so much for joining me today for our mindful moments. Today is a special day and I'm wearing green for a reason. It's Earth Day and I love Mother Earth. She gives us so much. So as we begin our practice today, let's think about that and where we can find inspiration from Mother Earth. Sit in a comfortable position. You may have your legs crossed, or maybe you're sitting on a sofa or a rug. And stretch out your back so that your chest comes forward, expanding your capacity to breathe. And we're going to begin. So we're going to inhale peace and exhale calm. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Awesome. Repeat after me. I am calm. I am present. I am focused. Beautiful. So I brought you a couple of things today, and this is where I get my inspiration, so I wanted to share. I find my inspiration from Mother Earth and all the beautiful things that she has to offer, or that Earth has to offer. Here, sometimes when I go on a road trip, I like to take some photographs. So you might have some photos at home of road trips that have beautiful memories that you kind of want to bring back. Here's a road trip to Central California, and I love seeing the cows resting. I call them happy cows. So this is a landscape. It has the sky, a middle ground, and a foreground. And I really like the contrast of the dark tree with the bright blue sky. It makes me feel happy. Sometimes when I'm not on the road, off on the road, or I'm just at home and I want to play around, I find a favorite artist and I look at and study their paintings. And this is one by Monet. I love Monet's work because I love the color. And this one has beautiful color. This is a painting from the lily pads. And then sometimes I like to go either in my backyard or the deck, or if I'm in a special place like this place, which was in France, in Villefranche. I like to kind of like rest my eyes on the beautiful leaves and be really present with the way the wind is moving the leaves and how it's making me feel like really calm and happy. And so I will quickly draw things out and loosen up my hand and brush a couple of colors on here. So I wanted to leave you with those ideas as you move about your day today, to think about how grateful we are for Mother Earth and to find some inspiration in the way the leaves are falling and the shapes of the leaves, the colors, and the way it moves you. Also think about if you're a gardener and you like to plant, you want to get your hands dirty in the earth, today might be a good day to plant a couple of seeds if you have them around. My best friend Rita has a garden. It's a community garden, and there she plants strawberries and lettuce and kale and red chard and even artichokes, and she likes to share those with me. So Mother Earth always gives us back, and then we can share that abundance with each other. So with that, I will leave you with a calm moment and a moment of inspiration. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope to see you back tomorrow.